Hello guys, this is me Raj. Welcome to the Hackers Institute. In this tutorial, we are going to see about the Kali Linux and the tools which are all available in Kali Linux for penetration testing. So everyone will be having the question, what is Kali Linux? It's nothing but it's a Debian based operating system which has lots and lots of penetration testing tools, and it is designed for digital forensics and the penetration testing. It is maintained and funded by the company called Offensive Security. You can download the operating system from their website itself. So even Kali Linux, which even works on the mobile platform also, which we can see on the featured videos. So in my previous videos, we have posted videos on how to install the VirtualBox and the Kali Linux. So I'll be giving you the link of those videos in the description. Now we'll see how I have installed this Kali Linux in my computer on my VirtualBox. So just open this VirtualBox, and I have installed so many versions, 2019, 2020, so many versions are there. So I'll be opening this 2020 version. I already have opened. So the default username and the password of this operating system will be KALI and KALI. So just enter. So here you can see the different tools which are available in a default manner. See, to gather the information of the target, we'll be having separate set of tools like Multigo, Dimitri. So these are all Recon NG. So these are all the famous tools which are all used by the IT professional to gather the information about the target, and for vulnerability assessment, and for web application, for the database. I mean, to gather the information, and how to crack the passwords, how to crack the passwords of this Wi-Fi. Aircrack NG is a famous tool to crack the Wi-Fi passwords, and post exploitation tools, forensic tools, and social engineering tool. So these tools are inbuilt in this Kali Linux. If you want to install some other tools also, it is very easy to install when compared to other operating systems. You can install in an easy manner in Kali Linux. So we'll see in the future videos, and have to look on how the documents. See, there are different documents as per in the Windows. If you are good in the Windows operating system, you can easily handle this Kali easily, because only will it will be the little bit differences, and see, here you can see cut copy paste everything. It will be similar to Windows, and it is not only the command line operating system and also the graphical user interface. It is very user friendly to operate and work with. Fine. So I just want to show you the terminal as a, it's like a CMD, command prompt in Windows. In Kali Linux we'll call as a terminal. So this is the platform which the hackers or penetration testers will play. This is the playground for them to play with the technologies. So we'll see how to play with the technology on the future videos. Until then, it is a bye from Raj from Hackers Institute. Thank you, guys.